I normally have my own cameraman, but I'm lacking right now. I think that's gonna be it for the day for the paint. My block dry, I don't gotta paint that no more. Show y'all the frame I'm gonna put on this bitch. I also got another goat cart, but it ain't putting out like this one. This is my frame. It's my racing frame. Pocket bike. I'm gonna start on that sooner or later, but I ain't ready to mess with that project right now. Some old shit, but it's that frame. This the motor. This one, that motor over here on this one. The carburetor end up being rejected racing carburetor. I think I might spray this shit over. I blew this motor up racing. I blew it the fuck up doing too much. See? Broke something in the piston. Here get my other goat cart. My scooter. Bush along, they got a motor. I do not like fixing on them big motors. I don't get it. It's my shop right here. I've been doing this shit for a while. Hold on, I'm probably gonna let y'all hear this motherfucker right here. That was so weird. Oh no, the fuck I did. I don't know my motor locked down. No, my motor. Anyway, this is my little cruiser. So that motor right there, that's a 6.5, but I bought it already set up. I don't want to tell shit, but this is the type of camera using this motor that I got. This over there. This is a I forgot the name of this cam. It's a 46 motor I had already. It have a 35 something in it cam. I'm putting this 46 cam. That jet carb right there. This is also already made. It give me about 3 or 4 horsepower. Says Briggsandstratton. What the valve at? I'm gonna change the gas, put a smaller gasket on there. I'm gonna loosen the valves up. There, time to twist them and loosen them up. These valves here. Loosen the valves up. What else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grease them. Like where I'm gonna grease the valves. What else I'm gonna do to it? Valves. Oh yeah, I already moved the governor off of the motor. But it was an old ass motor that come off a that motor come off a fucking old ass generator full of water. That's why I had to rebuild it and I'm gonna have to rebuild it anyway to make it do a little bit of performance I wanted out the deal. I wish I could fit those tires on it, but the way that it's a one wheel and the way the sprocket, I have the sprocket side up, it's a top end sprocket. Where I can go fast as I want to, so I don't want to do all that extra shit. Later on, I have a better view of, I have a cameraman, and when I'm putting it together, I have somebody recording, so I can let y'all see how I get down when I'm putting the motor together. I don't know why this ball bearing shit is on the motor, but I think I'm gonna have to put it back. I have to put this ball bearing back on there. So I gotta put it back on there. Oh, and I had it in the car. This shit come off this motor right here. The car with this for the spark plug. It comes off of this motor. That one, it was like this piece was broke off, and it's a I don't know. That's a 4 point. I don't know. That's a 4 horsepower. I think it's a 4 horsepower, but I kind of think it's a 3 horsepower. But all the parts gonna fit. I done put the clutch in there or whatever. Not the clutch, but the damn I put a what you call it shit. I already put the cam fits in there, so I know that'll work. If I get everything going, it's gonna be a good random motor. Then I'm about to get the clutch on the shaft. On that shaft. I don't know. See the shaft? I'm gonna have to get it cut for a clutch. See, it's already got this. That shaft don't have that. It's short. It don't have it, so I think I'm gonna have to get that cut for it.